I'm sorry, go ahead.
What do you like best about working with the Carson?
When we get our bonuses?
Except for that part. I'm John Murtaugh, one of the vice presidents at MCI. I work over in the water division, and here with me today,
Carson Keefer. I'm vice president of sales over control panels and sheet metal and metal products.
and our power products. We're going to give you a virtual tour of the factory, so you'll be able to see what goes on in all the different production lines, which are intermixed because they all feed each other. So everything that is built for water comes from his side of the factory because he builds our control panels, comes from the structural side of the factory that feeds the pump station frames. Then he builds power equipment that also is covered by all the divisions. So it's a very unique factory because it's all integrated and self-supporting of each other division. One of the things that I enjoy most about working with MCI is the family atmosphere that has been created by the Carter family, the owners of MCI. And we have 3 generations of Carter family involved in the business. It creates an environment where all the staff works together towards the goal of creating the best product that we can in all our divisions. One of Carson's divisions that's really exploding right now is some of the stuff we do in power distribution.
Some of the power distribution products that we're building is low voltage switchgear for our UL 891 products. We build panel boards, 600 amp, 800 amp, 1200 amp. Most all these type products are built for the data center and the explosion we're seeing in the data center world.
And that's facilitating the rest of our business, which is our core business, which is the enclosures, the control panels, and pump stations for golf course irrigation, municipal drinking water. And one of our favorite, of course my favorite, is our water treatment division. We take bad water and make it good drinking water from seawater, from dirty water. We've got crews down in Jamaica right now that are working in the disaster relief market, setting up, testing water, and providing this water to the local residents in Jamaica. What do you like best about working with the Carson?
When we get our bonuses?
Except for that part.
Let me tell you a little bit about MCI. MCI started in 1980 as a family-owned company, and we're still a privately held family-owned company today. Everything that we do from a manufacturing standpoint is all synergistic to itself. So we build sheet metal, we do structural steel, we have a 20,000 square foot panel shop that does all the electrical control panels, and that's control automation to VFD applications to power product. I mean, it includes all of our switchboard, switchgear, panel boards, PDUs, which is the power distribution units, as well as static switches for this massively growing data market for AI data centers. We're involved in multiple markets, and I think that's part of the success of MCI. Is if you look at the brands that John builds, which is package pump systems, if you look at the water treatment side of our business, each one of these different brands actually is laced throughout multiple markets, which gives us stability.
So some years back, MCI decided to grow our own people. So we have a fantastic intern program. We bring in 10 or 15 interns every year, and quite a few of those become full-time employees. So when customers come and tour our factory, one of the things they take note of right away is the youth, aside from some of the older people that might be involved in the business. This youth is bringing new energy in our product development, in our delivery, and new ideas to help us be more innovative. Is that all you got?
You got it. I need to check my hair.
It's fine, except for the eyebrows that are sticking out.
We participated for the first time in the 724 event for data centers. It's a trade show conference, and it really pulls a lot of people together from within that marketplace for a common goal, supplying equipment, services to data centers. With the current explosion of that market, it's helped accelerate getting data centers up and moving.
And the most important part of the business is clearly the water side of the business. The rest of the business is really there to support the water side of the business because, I mean, that's where it's at. That's the sexiest side of the business. That's the most exciting side of the business. That's where we used to have a lot of growth, but we've been overtaken by his power side of the business. But
not necessarily true.
It's true.
Actually, motor controls, MCI itself, has been extremely nimble and innovative in quickly developing manufacturing and products to supply that data center market.
That's a truth. That's a fact.
How many packaged pump systems do we put out per month?
We're probably up to 25.
So for 25 packaged pump systems to go out per month, to have all those products made, have all that assembly completed, and have it all functioning as a control device with control automation, making valves move, motors run, be able to accept 480 power. It takes a lot of work and a lot of process.
There's a lot of coordination, a lot of materials moving around at any given time. And
so, John, what is our company motto?
Meeting our customers' requirements, every requirement, every time. And that comes from our founder, Jim Carter. We want to thank you for listening. Thank you all for your time. We're sure having fun. I hope you're having fun.
Yeah, thanks.
Not having as much fun as I'm having.
Do you ever get those blocks? Do you see people get blocks like that?
All the time.
I do that all the time.
Marlon Brando had to have somebody off screen. His actors have like his lines on their shirts.
So I need the same thing,
That makes you
okay?
feel anything.
We go to meetings. He talks an hour at a time.
The jealousy is so obvious. It's hard to be mean.
So obvious.